Alright, and we're back. Time for if-then statements. So we're just going to create a simple if-then statement, which will tell us if a number is even or odd. So this will introduce a little bit of math, and that's about it. So we'll start with an integer. So we're going to tell if an integer is even or odd. And we'll just call this our number. And for starters, we'll start with an odd. Now we need to figure out, well, how do you tell if this is a 3 or not? And there's this great math sign which will tell us the remainder if you divide one number. So if you take x and then you divide it by y, it'll tell you the remainder. And the little function looks like that. It's like the percent, it's just the percent symbol. So that'll give us our remainder. So we'll create a new int remainder, and we'll set it equal to number percent 2. So right, if you divide any number by 2, if it goes in perfectly, then it's even. If it doesn't go in perfectly, it's odd. And then from there, we'll go if. And inside of this parentheses goes our condition. So it's basically the thing we're testing. And we'll just type in if number equals 0, we'll execute some code. And instead of my variable, we'll just say, hey, the number is 0. Neither even nor odd. And else if, and this is just a handy way to string else if-then statements together. Else if, and this is going to get mad at me because I didn't put that guy right there. Else if remainder equals 1, system.out.println, hey, this is a really informal program. It's just shouting at you, hey, the number is odd. And then the final case is if it's not 0 and it's not odd, it has to be even, or it's a decimal number. But you cannot have decimal numbers with integers, so we're safe in that respect. And else. And basically what else says, hey, if it's not one of these guys, just execute this code. So sys control space does all that fancy typing for you. And hey, the number must be even. But don't shoot the messenger. Don't shoot the messenger. So like if this fails, you can just blame me. So hey, the number is odd. Perfect. Just what we wanted. Now if we type in 0, hey, the number is either 0, neither even nor odd. And then if we type in 8, hey, the number must be even. Great. Program's working just how we wanted it to. And then, well, let's say some friggin' idiot just puts an 8.1 there. Well, it's not gonna run. It has this error. So I guess you could take this double and convert it to an int, and you just do a simple conversion by this parentheses and the int inside, and we'll just see how it runs. Hey, the number must be even. So it obviously rounded down, and if we do like 8.9, hey, the number must be even. So it's still rounded down, and if we do like 9.1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1. Hey, the number is odd. So just remember, when you're casting from, this is called a double, basically a decimal number. If you're casting from a double to an integer, it's going to round down. So watch out for that. All right, I think you've learned a lot, and hopefully you'll be ready. This will teach you a little bit of how to do a little bit of this, a little bit of if-then statements. All right.